house in partnership with Canarm, and today we're showing you how to install a ceiling fan. Ensure power is turned off prior to hanging any light fixture. This fixture must be installed following your local building codes. If unsure how to do this, please consult an electrician. Prior to installing this fixture, ensure the electrical box is mounted securely to be able to support the fan weight. Only use recommended remote. Unbox the product and ensure you have the instructions and are not missing any pieces. Choose your desired mounting method. It is best to mount using a down rod for optimal air output. Today I will be showing you the down rod installation. Position down rod in canopy. Run wires through down rod. And secure down rod to fan motor. Mount bracket on ceiling box. And make sure the fan receiver and remote are set to the same code. This may be preset depending on your fixture. Place hemisphere in mounting bracket. Make all electrical connections to the receiver unit. Connect green fan wire to bare wire. Connect black receiver unit wire to black supply wire. Connect white receiver unit wire to white supply wire. Connect white receiver unit wire to white fan wire. Connect black receiver unit wire to black fan wire. And connect blue receiver unit wire to blue light wire. Carefully push all wires and wire nuts into the electrical box and position receiver in the mounting bracket. Slide canopy up and into position and secure in place. Install fan blades using the screws and brackets provided. Depending on your fixture, install a light bulb and glass into the light kit, and then install the light kit onto the fan motor. And remember to turn the power back on. And that is how you install a ceiling fan.